Hello and welcome back to the series on Podia. In the previous video, we talked about what email marketing is and how you can use Podia as your email marketing software. Now, we kind of overlooked one thing, which was this lead magnet thing, which we talked about. Now, lead magnet, in essence, is a way for you to give some kind of downloadable, which should be, of course, valuable to your fan. So, this value could be in a form of free ebook, a free checklist, free template, or any kind of a free downloadable. And in return, your fan gives back their email ID to you. And later, you can utilize this email ID to send them emails in a sequence using campaigns or just send them single burst emails, which are called broadcast emails. So let's talk about how you can create such kind of a lead magnet in Podia and you can attach it with your Podia email marketing software. So here I'm inside Podia and specifically I'm inside Podia and inside products. I'll go ahead and create a new product. So what we essentially want to do here is create a product which is free and which is a digital download. So you can of course create a free online course as well, but a better way of creating a lead magnet is creating a digital download. So I'll just select on digital download. By the way, I have talked about everything related to digital download in a previous video. This is specifically using digital download as a lead magnet. So if I'm rushing past through some things, that is because I've already covered that in the digital download video. So let's give it a name. So this is what my ebook is going to be called. I'll just create a product. Just like that, I'm inside a product. So right here, you can choose files to upload. I'll just select that, go to my desktop. So this is one of the ebooks which I created. I'll just upload it. Let me show you what that ebook has. So this is the ebook I'm using as a lead magnet for my Civil Black Box course and brand. I'll just put it in preview mode so you can see what this ebook is all about. So this is a 40-page ebook which consists of everything about introduction plus how to become a good structural designer. I give a lot of resources right here, so you can just click a link and get to the resources as well. There are again resources for downloading codes, a lot of inputs and a lot of links to my other channel as well. So there is a lot of stuff right here. I'll just quickly walk you through it. And this is what my ebook looks like. Now all I have to do is use this ebook and upload it. So I've already done that right here. Now let's change the name to, because I do not like that this PDF at the end. I'll just remove this at the end and this is going to be my ebook. I'll just save it. Again, I have talked about the settings for creating digital downloads in my digital download video. You can go ahead and check it out. In the details, I do not need to change anything. I'll go inside pricing and let it be set to free. Finally, in the availability, I'll click for it to be published. So in the initial stages, it will be draft. I'll just click to make it published. Now, I do not want it to be visible to my other audience because this is the lead magnet and the only way I want this to be visible to any of my audience is when I share a link with them. So I'll make it hidden. So being hidden does not mean that this product is gone forever. That will be inside closed. This is just where someone who comes to my homepage will not be able to see it. Just because this is a test, I am making it hidden. Once it's done, I'll leave all the other options as it is and I'll click on done. So now you can see this ebook is live now. If I go inside the visitor view as a visitor page, you can see right here, any person who comes to this link will be able to join this ebook for free. And once they do that, I can get them inside one of my campaigns. So I'll show you quickly, but before that, I just want to change one setting right here where if you can see, this domain looks a bit too big. And if I'm trying to share this in my YouTube description or any description for that matter, I do not want this link to be too big. And you can change that very easily. If I just go inside this settings option and go inside edit page, I've already talked about how to edit the pages. I'm not going into how to edit this page right here. All I'll do is simply go inside this settings option, this page itself, which is going to be ebook on structural consultancy. I'll just click on this page settings option. Here you can see the link which we are seeing is this one, ebook on structural consultancy business. So it just picks up the name from right there. All I want to do is make it say lead magnet, say 2 in this case. And if I just move out of it, this change will be saved automatically. You can see the change is saved. So now if I am done with it, go back to this and view as a visitor. In this case, you can see the address link is shortened a lot. And this is what I like, because I do not want to show them a huge link inside the YouTube description. So this is a great way of changing this part. Let's see how we can add customers to it. So I'll just copy this link and open it in an incognito window. So once you have some kind of following on YouTube, on TikTok, on any of the blogs, you can share this link for people to download this book. So if I just go to the download link, this is where any of your visitor will end up. What they want to do is download this. So they'll click on get access for free. And for that, they'll have to put in their email address. So I'll just put in my email address quickly and I'll accept the terms and condition and I'll click on continue. Once you do that, you can simply confirm. And here you can write your name. So if you're writing your name right here, this is the name which will be referred back to in your email marketing campaign, where you saw a short code we wrote in the previous video. Again, if you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and check it out. In this case, let me click on I accept to receive emails and I'll complete and view your product. So just like that, I as a user, I as a fan has joined this product and I can now view this product. I can download it and I can open and view this ebook. What has happened in the backend, I'll just close all these. What has happened in the backend is that if I go inside my products now and if I go inside this ebook, you can see I have one new customer right here. Additionally, if I go inside emails now and I try to create a new broadcast, you can see I have one new option open right here where I can send this broadcast or whatever burst emails to all the customers inside this list or inside this product, which is ebook on structural consultancy business. This is the one I created right now and you can see I have one single customer. Also, if instead of this, I wanted to create a campaign, I can do that as well. If I go inside new campaign, I'll just leave the name for now. In the entrance condition, you'll be able to see that one of my products will be the one which I created right now, which was ebook on structural consultancy business. So if I just click on this, I'll create a condition and the conditions will look the same which I talked about in the previous video. But this free product which I created right now is now able to act as a starting point of an email marketing campaign. So this is how you create a lead magnet. Once again, lead magnet could be anything, right from a product to an online course to a digital download or a webinar or a bundle. In fact, the easiest way of doing that is probably a digital download in my opinion, because that will take the least amount of your time to create something valuable. And that is a great way of getting customers into your email marketing platform. Now, whatever emails I send or whatever email addresses we have, those are going to be mine. Now these are not Podia's, because I can at the end of the day export these email addresses, and if I try to change my email marketing software, I can do that. I own these emails from my fans and hence I'm always having a direct line of contact. So this is how you create a lead magnet in Podia and how you link them to your email marketing campaigns as well as broadcast emails. Again, if you're not already using Podia for your online courses, I would highly recommend using it. The link to Podia is down in the description below. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and do not forget to hit that notification bell along with the all option. Finally, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. It really helps with the motivation as well as the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.